Hi there and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Decan, aka Coco. Please make sure to stay, subscribe and join the family because of course I'd love to have you here. If you're new to my channel, one of my life cause is to make sure that I try my possible best to bridge the gap between dangerous skin practices and safe skin practices, hence why this video today. In today's video, we're going to be fixing our skin barrier. There's a number of reasons why your skin could be damaged or your skin barrier would need fixing. One of them is usually caused by the use of extreme and strong active harsh products on the skin, and the other one could be an extreme case of hyperpigmentation, burns on the skin, dark patches, dark knuckles and all of that, usually caused by the use of bleaching products. But in this video today, we are going to be learning, or I'm going to be helping you work through the process of fixing your skin. I've been working with skincare and DIY remedies for years, and trust me, I have been there, done that, and I've also gone through the journey of fixing the skin that I personally damaged with my own hands, my skin in this case. But the good news is we can always fix damaged skin, hence why this video today. So I'm going to help you work through the process of fixing damaged skin. So just stay with me and stay to the end of this video and you would get all the information that you need in fixing your damaged skin barrier. So your skin barrier is like a brick wall. Skin cells are the bricks and natural oils are the mortar. When it's intact, it keeps moisture in and irritants out, but when it's damaged, everything feels off. So a relatable example would be like having a leaky roof. No matter how much you pour in, it would not stay until you patch the cracks. Now, the first point that I would love to mention in fixing your damaged skin barrier is to completely let all your arsenals go. What does this mean? All the weapons that you're using to fight your skin or to irritate your skin, then you're gonna let it go. So if you're using strong actives, you're using bleaching agents or products that contain bleaching agents and anything that is just too strong for the skin, you want to completely drop them. That is the start of fixing damaged skin. You want to put everything away, and now we are going to focus on helping our skin heal again. So which brings me to the next point, which is staying away completely from exfoliation, staying away from lightening, and staying away from ingredients that are just too strong for the skin. You want to focus more on softer, more pampering ingredients. At this point, you cannot afford to keep going with anything that would irritate your skin. This brings me to the next point of focusing on moisture and hydration, which is the way that you're going to rebalance your skin and bring it back to life, just rejuvenate it. And a way that you focus on moisture and hydration is to focus on humectants, or using products that contain lots and lots of humectants, and also products that are occlusive to the skin. Right now, you're not trying to get your skin to be performative, you're trying to cushion your skin back to life. So there'll be a lot of pampering in this routine. There will be a lot of awareness with the products that you're using. You cannot afford to be ignorant anymore as to what goes on your skin and what doesn't, because now you're in a dire state and you have to fix it. Now, when it comes to the skin on the body, we don't have enough product that caters to rebuilding your skin cells or fixing your skin barrier. We do have products that do that for the face, but not so much for the body. A good way to include that in your routine, if you cannot find products that contain all of these humectants or the ingredients that you need, is to buy economic sizes like this and then use it in your routine. Now, this one is a peptide serum and this one is a hyaluronic acid toner. How I would include this in my routine if I were to be dealing with damaged skin is I would, first of all, after a shower, before I go on with whatever moisturizer that I'm going to be using on my skin, then I'm going to go all over my skin with this. Now, this might be a little capital intensive, but that's what we have to deal with. When your skin barrier is damaged, you might find yourself spending money to actually fix it, which is why you shouldn't damage it in the first place. But when the deed is done, there's almost nothing you can do. You would have to take extra measures. So applying products like this might be a little bit not so budget friendly, but these are things that you might need to add to record the progress that you're trying to get. So using this on your skin after you've taken a shower, just pouring it in like the way you would do for your face, and then going all over your skin with it before you go on ahead with your lotion is a good way to go. Like I said, there is not a lot of of body products that contain these humectants that we need, or in the quantity that we need for our skin. So a method like this will greatly help when you're skin repairing. Okay, now these are somehow economic sizes products for the face. You know, if you're using this for your face, this is about 220 ml and this is about 250 ml. You know, it takes a long time for it to finish. You're concentrating the use on your face. But now for the body, yeah, it also works because it's a good amount inside. So go for products like this that are economic sizes that can also, you know, last long or last a bit more. You want to aim to plump skin and improve elasticity by including a lot and lots of hydration. I can almost tell you that you can never go wrong with hydrating your skin. There is no such thing as too much hydration for the skin. The higher you go, the deeper you go in hydration. If you can even soak yourself in hydration when your skin is damaged, then that might be your best bet. Because at this point, you are pampering and doing all that you can to make sure that your skin is back to health and life. Okay, so it's going to take a little bit of time, it's going to take a little bit of process, but you're definitely going to record a lot of progress. That brings me to my next point, which is stopping all abrasive practices on the skin. So you also want to stop using physical exfoliants. That would be your greatest enemy if your skin barrier is already damaged. You want to stop using hot water, especially overly hot water. I know some of you be bathing with very hot water. You need to tone down or pipe down on the water or the temperature of the water that you use. You want to use warm or preferably even cold water, because at this point, like I said, you cannot afford to stress your skin. Also, overwashing would not do it for you. You have to reduce how many times. I know this one might not, you know, really cut it for a lot of people. You want to reduce how many times that you wash your skin in a day. If you're someone that takes constant showers, this one might be a hassle for you, but yeah, you might want to reduce the number of times that you take a shower in a day if you're dealing with damaged skin barrier on the body. Also pay attention to reducing using lots of actives on your skin. At this point, you're not trying to mess with retinol. At this point, you're not trying to mess with tretinoin. You're not trying to mess with AHAs, like I said, exfoliants, and all those very harsh, not necessarily harsh, they are not harsh when your skin is good, but for a damaged skin barrier, then these are considered very harsh to use, especially in high doses and high percentages in products. Now, after the method of applying the humectants on your body, maybe through the toner or the serum, then you want to double up on moisture. When I mean moisture, I mean a soft, very supple moisturizing cream. At this point, you can even use something as natural as shea butter. This is really going to help nurture your skin back to life, and that's a very good occlusive, a natural occlusive for the skin. This would help cushion your skin. You can go for a deep moisturizing lotion like one I'm going to pop on the screen. Now, I mentioned not overwashing your skin, right? Now you want to focus on using soft soaps or shower gels when you are washing your skin. A point that I want to mention that we don't pay attention to is sometimes sponges that we use in washing our skin could be exfoliating sponges, or those gloves, those exfoliating gloves. You also want to put that away, because that as well is not damaged skin friendly. So you want to put that away and use more cushioning or, you know, softer sponges or washcloths on your body. Right now, when your skin barrier is damaged, you're not trying to take away from your skin, you're trying to feed your skin. So you're not trying to take away dead skin cells by exfoliating. You're not trying to treat anything by putting harsh chemicals on your skin. You focus on simply pampering your skin back to life. So yeah, let's go over the points. Like I mentioned, you're going to put everything that harms your skin away. You focus on hydrating and rebalancing your skin. You're going to stay away from unhealthy practices like using too much of hot water on your skin or overwashing your skin, using harsh chemicals and all of that. You're also going to stay away from abrasive bathing or beauty tools like exfoliating sponges, gloves. You're going to focus on moisture and hydration. Okay, and how you add moisture and hydration to your skin is to go for highly moisturizing products and also including humectants and occlusive in your skincare regimen. I had mentioned hydration, but another way to repair your skin is to focus on omega-3 rich diet. You want to also make sure that you manage stress, get enough sleep, And when you are repairing your skin, focus more on your night routine. I've mentioned a couple times that our skin rejuvenates while we are sleeping, or while we are sleeping, because at that point everything is at rest and the skin is now doing its work. So you want to focus your cushioning and pampering routine for your nighttime routine. So basically your sleep time equals to your skin repair time, so do not joke with it. Make sure that you take your nighttime routine very, very seriously, because this is where the magic happens. This is where you get the work done with the help of your product. So if you focus on all of these practices, if your skin is damaged as a result of too many actives on the skin, which would result to itchiness, redness on the skin, stinging on the skin when you use products, then in like 1 to 2 weeks of practicing this, you should already start seeing results. But in the case of using highly lightening products that have damaged your skin barrier, if you use this method like I have just listed out, then in like 2 to 6 weeks you should have recorded a lot of progress in your skin. But overall, in like 6 weeks, your skin barrier becomes stronger, your skin is more plump, more rejuvenated. Remember that consistency is key in skincare. Now, with consistent use or practice of these methods that I've just mentioned, you would experience a stronger skin barrier, a healthier skin, a plumpier skin, and overall radiant skin. See this as a reset for your skin. See this as giving your skin a new start, a fresh start. If you found this video helpful, please click on the like button, send this video to a friend, family that is struggling with their skin barrier to help someone today. And also make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, because like I said in the beginning, I'd love to have you guys here. Also, if you have questions or concerns, you can drop them in the comment section and I'll do well to help you figure out what your skin needs. Don't forget that healthy skin is not about perfection, it's more about balance. And with safe skin practices like this, you'll always get the results that you need. As usual, I wish you guys a beautiful, bright and radiant skin, and I will see you guys in my next one.